Guys, today I'm gonna show you this newly delivered, just delivered Lenovo laptop just bought online. Okay, this is the Lenovo um, S340, alright, and it's an i7 processor. Okay, and the OS Windows 10 Home. Yeah, it's a 14 inch with a storage of 1 TB SSD. Okay, CPU is Intel i7 1.8G, and the RAM is the standard 8 gig. Video card is just GPU MX230. Okay, ever since this the new norm thing that we have to do the work from home, study at home, home-based learning, now we need this kind of thing, a notebook, anything that it communicate us to the outer world while staying at home. And this one comes with all these freebies here. Okay, just normal thing. We have the laptop bag here. Okay, it's the house brand Lenovo laptop bag. Some wireless mouse. Yeah, house brand as well. Oh, that's good. Yeah, we have this Microsoft Personal Office. But this personal, good for just 1 year use. Okay, for 12 month subscription. All right. So we're gonna see what do we have inside. Okay, now we'll try to unbox this uh, S340. Okay, let's see where we're gonna start up. Okay, I got one here. Let's rip this thing up. All right. Okay, here you go, baby. Let me see what you got in there. Here we go. Oh. Open up here. It's so many styro thing. Okay. Try to pull up this thing first. Oh, that should come up easy. Just pull up this styro here. And there you have it. Our laptop is here. It's a silver color. I have watched and read some review and they say this one is like the middle range, but yeah, it's quite slim though. See, I have used so many Lenovo laptops before. Yeah, this is my slimmest, I can say. Here we go. Come out for the plastic. There you have it. That's cool. Now the new Lenovo logo is here. Okay, slim one. And that's it. You see just what I saw from the reviews and video. There's no more popping out batteries. The batteries are built in inside. Okay, there's no way you can take out the batteries anymore, unlike the old laptops we have. So let's try to open up. Let's see what we have here. See, it's a very slim screen monitor here, and it's lightweight. You got the safety cover, and wow, this is classy. Alright, here you go, guys. The touchpad is more wider than my previous one. Looks neat, looks clean. Okay, the monitor is here. This is a 14 inch guy. Yeah, just what they say. It's a smaller bezel here, so more wider screen. Okay, it says here the Core i7. See how what's inside. Okay, the ports. Okay, we have this HDMI port, power port, and the USB Type C port for the headphones as well. So we got one HDMI, one Type C USB connector. Let's see. Is the SD card slot and two USB ports. Yeah, not too much connectivity though. So, and no, as you notice, no Ethernet port. So we need to rely on Wi-Fi, wireless connectivity for this one. Let's see what they say. This one you can open up as straight as this. Yeah, let's go. But I don't think it's just much use for this opening as wide as this. Let's see, we start up with power button. Let's see what we have in. Oh, I guess I need to plug it in first so we can start the installation. Okay, there's one more box here. Yeah, it's normal power cable. It's a 3-pin plug. Okay. Next is the adapter. So not too much though inside the box, but I guess that's all the basics and essentials we need for now. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. The power rating for this one is 65 watts. Okay.